phonics, it's letter sound U. It's letter sound U. This is the story of letter sound U. A girl is visiting her great aunt who has a big house and a large friendly cat called Noodle. It will soon be 3 o'clock, and the girl goes to wait by the cuckoo clock. On the hour, a small wooden door opens and a little wooden cuckoo pops out. Ooh, it cries. Now I will show you the action of letter sound U. Okay, you put your hands beside your body like this and go Nah, this is how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound U. Letter sound U. Okay, this is letter sound U. And this one, how you write letter sound U. This is how you write letter sound U. Okay, this is the things that have letter sound U. Okay, first, it's good. Good. And next, book, foot, and the last one, food. Okay, repeat. Good, book, foot, and food. Okay, now let's listen to the sound of letter sound U. Come on, music.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Okay, one more.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Don't forget to prepare some pencil, okay? First, this is how you write letter sound U, okay? Like circle. You just make a 2 O. That became U. Now trace the letter U several times. Okay. You just need to trace it, big U and small U. Okay. Now write the letter U several times. You need to write it by yourself, or if you have some problem, you can ask for help your mom or your dad. Okay. Big U, small U. Okay, like that. Okay, you can do it until here. Next, let's read together. It's crook and book. Okay, trace the words. This one. Crook. And then you can trace the word book. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all about letter sound U. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.